In this video, I'm going to show us how to download our 2 assignments from the SketchUp for Schools app. And I'm also going to show us how to download the layout templates that are found in Schoology underneath the assignment page. To start things out, we're going to go to SketchUp for Schools. You should already have this downloaded in your apps if you saved it underneath your name when you logged in last time. The next piece, click on this. It will open SketchUp for Schools app, very, very similar to what you've done in your Chromebook. Now we're just on the PC. It will have you sign in with Google, most likely the first time, and you just want to go and sign in. This may take a little bit of time on my piece to refresh and to load, and then it should take us to our home page. A new part of SketchUp for Schools. I like it. Now, the next thing it asks is we want to open. All right, and usually when you come here, you guys see your stuff, but I'm not seeing mine right now, so maybe you have to open it, and we go from Google Drive to find those things. Now, ours was in the 8th grade IT folder, and then selecting the one that we were working on, I'm going to go with the DraftingS assignment first. Both of these are going to be done the same way, so it doesn't matter which one we do right away. Now, I left my DraftingS. All dimensioned, all parts are there, all expectations are complete. What I want to do next to get this from our app to layout is I want to come in and download this file. So I'm going to come to the File folder, the File Operations menu. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit Download. And the thing I want to do here is I want to download, this is very important, we select the right version, 2017. We don't have 18 or 19, so if you download either one of those, it will tell you it can't use it once you get to SketchUp. So, 2017, hit OK. Once you hit OK, on the bottom here, you're going to get a download. All right? The simplest way for me to do this is just make this a window. So after I window my screen, I can then move this window around. Once it's windowed, I can move my window around. And I can make it smaller, and then I can minimize anything I have in the background, so I can click and drag and drop my file that I downloaded into my H drive. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Schoology, and I want to be in my 8th grade class. I want to go to the engineering folder, which is down a little ways on the bottom. And then I want to go to the project I'm doing. I'm doing DraftingS, so I want to go here to select and click and download my layout file. But we're all going to do a download of a layout file called DraftingS and DraftingC. Right now, I'm just going to show DraftingS. So coming in, DraftingS. Once I get here, I'm going to slide down to where it says DraftingS Layout. If I click on this, it will download that right to the left of my last download that I moved. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to once again window, which mine is already there, and then I'm going to click and drag and drop that layout file into my H drive. Now, that's all I have for this video. Downloading and moving our file from our app, our SketchUp app, and then also downloading our layout file. Thanks for watching.